Morgen, der Herr.
Guten Morgen, der Herr. Wie geht es?
Gut, haben die gut geschlafen?
Ja, und selbst?
Ja, auch gut.
Wollen wir mal gucken. Das war, genau, 10 Uhr war Abfahrt von hier. Dann sind wir am Banan-Tempel. Dann um 13 Uhr wäre es der Bamboo-Trail, in Klammern neue Strecke, sonst wird eine neue Strecke geben. Genau, ich war die alte. So, und dann kommt die Hauptattraktion, oder sind sie? Dann kommt dann die Hauptattraktion, 17.30 Uhr die Fledermaushöhle.
Fledermaushöhle.
Ja, da fliegen dann um 17.30 Uhr Millionen von Fledermäusen raus in die Natur.
Morgen.
Moin!
How you doing?
Ja, wo wollt ihr sitzen?
Ha?
Wo wollt ihr sitzen?
Ja, kommt Wifi?
Nee, sie steht noch.
Schläft noch.
Ja,
Kamera.
Kamera.
Guck mal, ich hab Mango. Ja, schmeckt ab. Try the mango.
Ja, das war
Mango.
Come around the world with me. If only we could be so lucky. There is so much more that's out there for us to see.
Hello, my dear viewers. I'm vlogging today. This is Sir William House. This is Sir Gerald with the head. And I am your host and moderator, Anna.
Where we at? Or what are we doing? Where we at?
So we are waiting for Along because he went up to his room.
Where are we in the world?
Oh, we're in Cambodia right now
For what?
for a wedding, for Along and Fong's wedding. That was 2 days ago. Yes, it was very beautiful.
It was.
It was very beautiful. And now we're going on an adventure, on a bat adventure. We're gonna discover some bat birds. And we're gonna film a movie while doing so. So while we're going on bat bird hunt, we will ride the bamboo train as well. The bamboo train is made out of bamboo. We're gonna discover the origin of the name Battambang, which means lost stick. But what does it mean? Also, why am I so pale? Is this like a beauty function? Look, you're so pale too.
Yeah.
How must Gerald look then? Gerald must be a ghost then. Because I look so pale in this. So we are gonna
Like, all you gotta, you literally just gotta talk about your day.
see, this is how I can now vlog. have
Four
for
small.
snow.
Four.
Four.
Thanks.
Good up.
It's also
2,000 real. Yeah. Oh, so $1.
That
For
one.
$1.
Okay.
Yeah.
4,000.
Yeah,
4,000 real.
1,000 real. For yeah, $1.
okay.
Yeah.
Look at that couple. On the right.
Which one?
On the bottom. They're struggling.
Yeah, that will be us.
Yeah. All right.
Let's fit.
Let's fit.
Let's
We
go
taught
for
him
it.
that yesterday.
Go for it and make it worse.
Okay, let's go.
Keep going. You ready?
Yes.
She's taking pictures, so she have to break.
Got it.
Elevator.
You got it.
Elevator, Helikopter.
That's right. I thought that's right.
That's right. Yeah. Nice. I'll make a wish. Should we all do one? Did you make a wish?
Already.
Nice, good job. Ich wollte eigentlich fragen, ob der kleine Junge auch eins anzünden möchte. Hi. Do you have food here?
No.
Ah, no food, okay.
Only drinks?
Ah, okay, got you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
No food.
Yeah. How much though? What about that one? What, second one? Just to say you did it.
Well, we gotta share one. Am I supposed to?
You can take turns. Also, no, it would just fall. It's not a good time enough.
That's chili.
It's cool. It's like a mix of luxury and local.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's nice mix.
this is like cool. That's a cool shot actually. From like both Will and Gerald. I don't see actually. Yeah, I got you.
Let's speed up.
Have you tried pineapple? Have you tried pineapple? Not yet, yet. Ananas. Yes, here too. Walnut. 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 Ananas.
So unlustig.
But still you're laughing. So it's working.
I always say that Will is the king of dad jokes. He's the king of dad jokes.
I have a lot of bad
Are you
jokes.
joke?
Dad jokes.
Yeah, joke.
But you're the king of fluff.
Flachwitze.
Yeah.
What's the English word for Flachwitze? Flachwitze.
Try it.
Like
That joke?
flat jokes.
Ha!
But like I feel like there's a different thing.
Try it. Maybe.
It's not like dry, it's just like kinda like dad jokes, but just like very like lame wordplay.
Oh, pun.
Fun. Like
Like pun is like when you like have a lame play on words. Like instead of saying you're very funny, you say you're very punny.
yeah,
Yeah.
so Allah is the king of puns.
Right, bamboo trend, sir. They paid $5 per person.
$5.
Cái trăm con nó trăm vô.
That's fine.
Okay, sir.
Oh, you got it.
Okay,
Thank
sir. Driver with you now.
Alright, we have to do that.
You want to take photo?
Oh wait, I want that too. Okay, you go too.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Hey, how are you?
Cold beer, coconut, short bamboo train.
My legs are vibrating.
What?
My legs are vibrating.
Yeah, my stomach's vibrating too. You can sit.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Come on.
Jack ไม่ติด
สบายอดเจอมาเล่นสักไหม
สบายมากระเดา
บ้ากระดาวจากกระดาว
อืม
เช็คมาอด
โอเค
โอเคเนอะเนาะ
so you want to drink something
Yeah, we have 10 minutes. You want to smoke? You guys want?
yeah what you want to drink beer
โอนดอง
If we're all drinking, then we can drink beer. Otherwise,
beer
we'll drink a Coke.
okay whatever you want
ตามชัดโอน
Do you want a coconut or
Just-
do you want beer?
You want a coconut?
you have to choose for yourself
No, I mean like if we're all drinking, you know?
no I'm drinking coconut
Okay, then I'll drink coconut with you.
no and he's drinking beer
Yes.
And German.
Then he's drinking with him.
Kamai Sabai?
Mm.
Huh?
ไม่สบาย
บาย
So still.
ให้มันตะเลงโกวัดติงเอาบัมบูเทรนตะเลงโกวัด
I gotta
บัม
keep
บู
this
เทร
set.
น
did you get it
Yeah.
she's trying to sell you
The shirt.
yeah
Yeah.
yes like this one bamboo train
Yeah. She wants me
Yeah.
to complete the set. Uncle Watt, Bamboo Train.
yeah
อังกอร์วัดบัมบูเทรน
I think the art's really nice. I was thinking about getting that. Who knows? That'd be a good gift too. That'd be like a good Cambodian.
Cambodia.
True, yeah. Because I like to get like shirts and clothes.
Come
Yeah.
on.
But I've been trying to find something that's like, you know, like hang up or something.
okay
Yeah, yeah.
Should we get matching ones of these?
If you want, let's get this.
I think these are cute. How much are
you want to buy something
2,000 เรียล
2,000.
2,000 real.
2,000 ดอลลาร์
Oh, okay, that's what,
2,000 real.
yeah, that's $2.
$2
Hmm?
each? Or for
โน่
two?
ก่อนมวยตะปีปอนตาเอาปีปอนเรียล
more people 150 cent
Ah.
2 $1
Okay.
Yeah,
Two $1.
if you take two $1
Yeah, because 4,000 is one.
yes 4,000 is $1
So it's 50 cents. For two. Yeah.
yeah for two $1
Yeah.
I think I have. Do I have all your money? You want to try? As soon as you
Yeah.
like.
Which one do you want?
a matching one
Yeah, I wanted to get which one. Oh, it's like this. Look, you pull,
Oh.
and then it gets bigger, then you just like pull to make it tighter again.
Oh yeah. That's not bad.
But I think I like small ones like this.
Yeah, this works for me.
Okay.
still filming
Yes.
Mm.
All of you.
Hello.
Yeah, sorry, tip driver for you. Tip driver.
Looks like we have right here to see it. Oh yeah. It's like, he might do that.
Gerald.
And the back.
I love how they like all fly like this.
Yeah, the pattern.
Yeah. They're so pretty. There was one that flew like right above our heads. Oh, that one is lost.
It is actually. Oh, it's flying its people.
So many bats. There was like one to like a little bit out. I feel like I can.
I know it's huge.
Yeah.
It's millions.
They all live together. What do they eat?
These are tiny though.
Insects.
Humans, right?